Hi everyone, if you're new here, my name is Anna and welcome back to my channel. This is a completely different setup and I don't usually film like this, but I just wanted it to be a little bit more chilled, and it's not like the best, most amazing content in the world, but nevertheless, I've had people request me to do these before. I've watched them myself and I just thought it'd be a really interesting video to do. My studio lights actually smashed last week and I just thought I'd sit down and vlog this on, film this on my vlogging camera because why not. But this is going to be the Tiger surprise box, mystery box, sort of surprise bag thing, whatever you want to call it. I've seen people do these before. This was £3. I know they have different categories. They have like a for her box, a for him, and a for everyone one. So I've got the for everyone one because literally there was 2 left. So I did buy the last 2. I'm going to be doing 2 of these videos, so I've got one here which I'm going to be doing one today, and then in next week I'm going to be uploading another one where I've actually got the other one. So you'll see what's in this one next week and you'll see what's in this one today. So that's it for today's video. I'm excited to crack it open. So without further ado, let's have a look inside. So it's in a bag and it says no peeking or you'll spoil the surprise. But I wish you to get little bags like this from Claire's Accessories. Comment down below if you did as well. And they used to be either £3 or £5 depending on if you got like the big one or like the small little pink one. And you should get some really, and it used to be like a lucky dip. You used to get 10 items in there. So don't have a clue how many are in here. What I can see first, I'm not going to have a look. This, all I could see first was this. Okay. It's a pen and it's like this. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with this one. It looks like a pom-pom. I did see this. You could sort of see this at the front of the bag, but honestly God, I thought it was like confetti like in the bag. It's cool, it's different. I'm sure in a for everyone box, if you've got like a little like someone who's really into stationery or a child, they'd probably really enjoy this. So I'll ask anyone in my house if they want this, and yeah, I suppose this would be more than like a couple £pounds if you was to buy in a shop, so you're probably already getting your money's worth. But yeah, little pom-pom pen. So the next thing, oh, there's 2 parts of this. Oh wow, this is quite nice. A cotton buds organizer. This is really cool. I mean, I'm not sure about the colour, it's green, but nevertheless I would use something like this. It just says cotton bud organizer, and inside it's got like a bit where you could put them in and then things around the outside. I think that's really cool. I would definitely buy something like this if I saw it in the shop or use it. So I really like it, and it's like the colour's not the worst thing in the world. It could have been, I know, I suppose any colour you could sort of have, but I think that's really cool. I definitely will use that. Like, it's the kind of thing, if I saw it in a shop I would buy it, and I know for a fact these type of things, anything acrylic which you store, like anything like makeup related or beauty related, are usually expensive in shops. So I think for £3 that's so I think to get this in here is really cool. So yeah, I'm quite chuffed with that. I don't know if I'm supposed to be like, I don't know what to say. I don't feel like I want to go on about things for ages, but I don't want this to be really quick. Oh, so this is a pencil. It's got an orange on it. It's probably not, like, for me, it's probably not the most exciting thing in the world, but I know there's like so many kids that love going to shops like Smiggle and stuff and who'd really enjoy this. And obviously as a for everyone bag, I think it's a cool idea to get in a for everyone bag. I know someone would really enjoy this, but nevertheless, someone like myself, I do love a little bit of stationery. So these things do actually quite excite me. So yeah, I'm quite chuffed with these bits. This feels like there's quite a lot in here. What's this? Oh my gosh, how cool. It's a textile dye. Oh wow. Oh my god, so this is like where you can draw like crayons which you can draw like on your t-shirts, or like if you had like plain white, for example, like plimsolls or Vans. You know, like, that's such a weird and different thing. It's something I wouldn't expect to get, and I feel like if this was like, obviously it's a family bag, I feel like as a family, if you was to open up together, it's definitely something you'd be really excited about. And generally for me, I'm excited about it. I want to get now, like, I think I'm gonna get like a plain top and like have a go at it and draw on it. I'm 20, but honestly I think this is so cool, and they're just really like fun and different. So they're like, they just say textile dyes, so I presume that you can literally draw in any sort of, like, they're like fabric crayons. I think it's just something I wouldn't like. So as far as I'm grasping at the moment, I've got a few bits like stationery, and then obviously something like this. Like they're going to cost well over £3. Even in there, if you're to buy them individually, then pieces would maybe like be like £1 each or something like that, so you know then it costs more than how much the bag costs itself. And then obviously something like this, I know that could probably be more, or maybe even just £3 in there. So I think we're doing well so far. What's this? This is, it looks like this. I'm not sure what it is. It doesn't say either. Oh, I don't like that. That's really scary. Does this do anything in particular? I'm not gonna lie, I don't think like things like this. This really scares me. I've watched like recently like The Conjuring and Annabelle and stuff. This just scares me. I think it's a music player. Comment down below if you know what this is, but I think it is just a music player. Generally speaking, I wouldn't personally buy anything like this. I wouldn't buy anyone in my house something like this because I don't like it and I don't really want it. I think it's a music player. It doesn't have it written on it anywhere what it actually is, but I'm not a fan of it. Don't like it. What's next? I think there's literally two things in there and they feel like the same type of thing. So this one, what's for dinner and who? Oh my gosh, I think my mum will really like this. Obviously it's like for a family box that I've said a million times. So this is a really cool one. It's a what's for dinner and who will make it happen planner type of thing, which you put on the wall, and it's got the days of the week all the way up until Sunday. It's got a menu, who cooks it, what you've got to buy, and who's going to buy it. I think that's such a cool idea. That is literally such a cool idea. How cool is that? I'm so chuffed with that. And it's all got a magnet on it as well at the back, so you can put it on the fridge. I think my mum's going to be really excited about that one. So I think this just shows there is such good like versatility between the items in this. So cool. And obviously like if you live by yourself, if you lived with anyone, it's essentially like a meal planner, but I feel like anyone would like this. So yeah, how cool is that? And last but not least, this feels like possibly the last thing. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's a bullet journal. I've wanted one of these for so long. Oh wow. Oh my god, I've wanted one of these for so long. Oh my gosh, and in the back it shows you different ways of how to do it. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Basically, I only have one planner at the moment. I used to have a Wreck This Journal. Comment down below if you used to have one of those years ago, and I actually completed it. I had so much fun doing it, and since I've wanted one for such a long time. And I know when you see it in shops, it's not the type of thing I remember to pick up, but it's also the type of thing, if you're in like Hobbycraft or something, it's so expensive, so I've never picked one up. But this is like thick, it's pink, like obviously I love a bit of pink, like I love a bit of pink. That's so cool. And it's obviously got like the right pages because it obviously is generically a bullet journal, and back it's got everything of how to do it and like different layouts. That is so cool. I'm so excited about that. So yeah, oh my gosh, how cool is that? And that literally, yeah, now I can open the bag, but there's literally nothing left. Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed with that. I really want to open the next one now, but I really want to open the next one now, but obviously I'll do that in the next video. Oh my gosh, how exciting. Right, so just to recap, we got the bullet journal, which I think is definitely obviously my favourite thing in this. I just literally want to sit down and do it now. So we've got the bullet journal, we've got the weekly meal planner, which I feel like a lot of people would really enjoy in one of these. We've got the cotton wool pad, cotton buds organizer, which again I think is really cool. We've got a pom-pom pen, which I feel like someone would really enjoy. We've got the orange pen, which is different, quirky, and again I feel like people really enjoy. We've got the fabric pens, which is different and I think really cool. And then we've got this, which I'm not a fan of, but I feel like if you weren't a superstitious person and things like this didn't freak you out, you'd probably really enjoy it. So yeah, that's everything we've got. I think this definitely comes to at least well over £10 at least for everything here. So how cool is that? so impressed. I'm so impressed, and I literally want to go back now and get more. And they only had these two, and I'd never seen them in there before though, so I definitely do want to go back and try and find like a for her one and maybe a for him one as well. So yeah, that's it for this mystery bag from Tiger or Flying Tiger video. If you enjoy it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm so impressed with everything I got, and I literally just want to get to my bullet journal right away. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.